Close, Chris. There you go. There you go.
I kid you not, like, that got me going.
Dude, you were never in danger of anything.
I don't know, but that's...
How was that? A little different in a two-door?
Oh, man.
Woo! I bet that seat is stretched like a bitch. Probably coaxing. You alright, bud?
I don't know. That got me. It's not like I've done it before, but like,
but it's a lot different in a shorty two-door.
Shorty two-door, and it started sliding, and I was going forward.
You weren't going anywhere.
We were sliding. No, we were sliding.
I know, I watched you, but you weren't going to go any farther because it levels out just a little bit.
Yeah, it just kept
and as soon as that outside edge of that tire heated up, it walked right up.
That was impressive.
I told you it was going to be all throttle control coming up.
Yeah.
You just had to keep it.
No, yeah.